Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You open YouTube now and you act. This is where you begin. On desktop, click your profile avatar or the three-dot menu at the top right. On mobile, open the app and tap your avatar. Once there, find Settings or Appearance immediately. Do not search elsewhere. You want to reach the appearance controls as the first actionable step so you can change the theme. This direct start avoids guesswork. Move to the Appearance option and make sure you're on the right account or device before proceeding. Now you make the change. Select Appearance, then pick Dark Theme. On desktop, click Profile, right arrow Appearance, right arrow Dark Theme, and confirm. The page switches immediately so you see the effect. On mobile, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Appearance, then choose Dark. Once done, YouTube remembers the choice when signed in. Otherwise, it saves locally to that browser or app. Make sure to test a few pages so you confirm it applied universally. If multiple devices are used, repeat these steps on each. Finish by confirming the dark theme is active across videos and menus. Scroll several pages to be sure. If it does not persist, clear your browser cache, restart the app, or update to the latest version, because stale data often blocks the change. Make sure your operating system or browser doesn't force a different theme. Some devices override site settings. If problems persist, sign into your Google account and set the theme while signed in so the preference can sync. This resolves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.